The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1139C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. The edges of the flat side should ride on rails that will curve the filter. Reinstall the filter housing door.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.